Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Are you all able to hear me? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, first, talk to you about summer vacation. Have you enjoyed your vacation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Uh, but at home only, due to situation, you were at home only and enjoyed? Anna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody is safe and healthy?
Yes,
Everybody is
ma'am.
safe and healthy? Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
hope you got enough of time to revise all the subjects and all the lessons also nicely. I hope it is so, Anna? Because nobody
Yes,
went
ma'am.
out mostly, they were at home, you were all at home, and if no work, then naturally parents will ask you to take out the books. Otherwise, at home with your siblings, you can play and enjoy the vacation also, Anna? With the siblings you have enjoyed? Okay, yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, your voice coming not.
What happened?
Your voice is not coming clearly.
My voice is not coming clearly. It is same.
Yes, ma'am.
It is same with everyone or only with one. किसी को भी क्लियर नहीं आ रही आवाज मेरी
No, ma'am.
आवाज क्लियर नहीं है मेरी
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
ओके फाइन एक सेकेंड हेलो
Yes, ma'am.
अब आ रही है आवाज
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
fine so before the coming to the lesson now of GK, have you revised all the lessons till we have done? That was the holiday homework also, but learn all the means things which are given, the solutions and all, go through all these whatever in the lessons we have completed in GK book. हाँ hello
Yes, ma'am.
okay please now hello mute yourself everyone mute yourself keep your audio and video off much disturbance from the background is coming keep your audio and video off when I ask anything then only you can speak out unmute yourself and speak out okay so fifth lesson was done already we'll revise once again the fifth lesson those who have not completed you can complete it just now also lesson number 5
Ma'am, your voice is not coming clearly.
still not coming
No, ma'am. Ma'am, आ रही है.
Ma'am, आ रही है.
okay fine
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ yes
मैम एक्चुअली अभी मुझसे गलती से स्क्रीन पे कुछ हो गया था सॉरी मैम
हाँ no problem okay now discoveries that change our lives this lesson number 5 we have already completed first one is dash was invented the word unscrambled word is given and that the information about that word is there that it was invented about 2000 years ago in dash and it was first used to wrap delicate bronze mirrors so what was used first to wrap means lapetna delicate bronze mirrors and poisonous medicines poisonous means harmful medicines को wrap करने के लिए क्या चीज उस प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए उसको बनाया गया था 2000 years ago paper the scramble word will be paper I hope you have written in the book paper and it was invented in when where China 2000 years ago in China. Clear? Next is, the hint is given about it, that it was also invented in 188, and it helped to spread knowledge. And this was, the unscrambled word is printing press, and it was also invented in China. Next is, unscrambled word will be electricity. Electricity, it is about 600 BCE, before Common Era. And the ancient Greeks discovered that rubbing fur against amber used an attraction between the two that discovered static electricity. This is the hint given about the electricity. And the English scientist named William Gilbert studied it carefully and gave it its name. So who has given the name electricity? William Gilbert. Then next is about vaccination. Nowadays, the name of vaccination you are hearing again and again. What type of vaccination you are hearing? Can anybody tell me? The people above 45. Very good. COVID for vaccination for COVID, COVID-19. So this vaccination, first vaccination was of smallpox, and it was the first vaccine. And British doctor and the scientist Edward Jenner. Edward Jenner was the first to do it very successfully. What to do? Vaccination. Edward Jenner was able to do vaccination for the smallpox, and he was very successful in that, and it helped to protect people from smallpox. Clear? Then anesthesia. The word anesthesia, A is missing here. Anesthesia, it was discovered in 1846, and it is a Greek word meaning loss of sensation. So for loss of sensation, what is the word? For loss of sensation, what is the word?
Anesthesia.
Anesthesia. And it is given during the operations. Surgical applications are being done there. That time anesthesia has been given. Yes or no? So that loss of sensation is there, and operations can be held successfully. Next is refrigeration. It was invented in 1856, and because of it, food items, meat, fish, vegetables, fruits, it can be sent over long distances, and it can be kept for longer period of time also. And that for that, the word is refrigeration. Next is telephone. It was invented by Scottish engineer Alexander Graham Bell. Then eighth is light bulb. And what is this? The electric lamp, and it was invented in 1809 by whom? By English chemist Humphrey Davy. Here it will be D-A-V-Y, Davy. But it was American inventor Thomas Alva Edison who developed the first practical bulb. So who developed the first practical bulb in 79? Thomas Alva Edison. So this will be the name there then. American inventor Thomas Alva Edison. Clear? The next number 9 is television. And John Logie Baird invented it as we know it today. आज हम कौन कैसे जानते हैं टेलीविजन को किसने इन्वेंट किया? Who has invented John Logie Baird. Clear? Then its name is the combination of an ancient Greek word far and a Latin word meaning sight. So the combination of far and sight is given to this name as television. The combination of far and the Latin word meaning sight. Clear? Then 10th is penicillin. It was discovered in 1928 by whom? Penicillin was invented or discovered by whom?
Alexander.
Yes,
Fleming.
Alexander Fleming. Clear? Then computer, 11th is computer, and Charles Babbage was the first to work on the idea of programmable computer in 19th century. Then lastly, the word internet will come. Clear? It is a global system of interconnected computer networks linking several billion devices worldwide. Okay? So hope this was done already and explained to you, है ना? Now lesson number 6. Lesson number 6. 6 is sporting origins. You know that a hat trick means 3 success in a row. So you can underline this. What does the word hat trick means? What does the word hat trick means? Hat trick means 3 successes in a row. But have you ever wondered why it is called hat trick? Have you ever thought about the origin of the word, term, or the name of the sport? So now in this lesson, from this paragraph, it is clear that we are going to read about the origins of the few sports which are given in this lesson. Clear? Now, the tick what you think is the correct option. The origin of term hat trick, that is achieving a win or a feat 3 consecutive times, 3 times continuously. If the success is there, then it is the word hat trick is used. Now, which is the correct one? The first one is the correct, that it at the end of the cricket match in England in the 19th century, the members of the team collected money and bought a hat for one of their teammates. अब ये hat trick नाम कैसे दिया गया है? At the end of the cricket match in England in 19th century, ये 19th century, that means since 19th century this word has been originated in England. और कहाँ पर? जब क्रिकेट मैच इंग्लैंड में 19th सेंचुरी में एंड हुआ, तब मेंबर्स ने क्या करा? दे कलेक्टेड मनी एंड बॉट अ हैट फॉर वन ऑफ देयर टीममेट्स, एंड ही वाज अ बॉलर who had taken 3 wicket of consecutive deliveries. और वो किसके लिए हैट खरीद के लेकर आए थे? उस बॉलर के लिए जिसने 3 बार विकेट्स ऑफ consecutive डिलीवरीज ली थी. And that is why from that day onwards, this word hat trick is being used. So this will be the correct one. I hope it is clear now from where the word hat trick is originated. Now next, the origin of an Indian sports dates back to Mahabharata. The origin of the Indian sports date back to महाभारत, दैट मीन्स महाभारत के समय से ये इंडियन स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में बताया गया है. सम पीपल बिलीव दैट दिस स्पोर्ट ओज इट्स ओरिजिन टू द महाभारत. अभिमन्यु ट्राइंग टू ब्रेक इनटू चक्रव्यूह फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कौरवास. द स्पोर्ट इज, अब वो स्पोर्ट्स को क्या बोलते हैं? दैट स्पोर्ट पहले अभी कबड्डी बोलते हैं. और ये किसी से रिलेटेड किया गया है? किससे रिलेटेड किया गया? महाभारत में जब अभिमन्यु चक्रव्यूह को ब्रेक करते हैं, तो उससे रिलेट किया गया है ये कबड्डी गेम. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, व्हाई द गेम ऑफ रग्बी वाज सो नेम्ड. अब जो रग्बी का गेम है वो उसको इस टाइप से रग्बी नाम क्यों दिया गया है? ना इट इज बिलीव्ड that some boys were playing a game of football in the famous rugby school. क्यों रग्बी नाम दिया गया है? Because कुछ बॉयज जो है वो फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे. कहां पर खेल रहे थे? फेमस रग्बी स्कूल इन वॉर्विकशायर, इंग्लैंड. वॉर्विकशायर कहां पर है? ये एक जगह है. कहां पर? इंग्लैंड में. और इस जगह पर कौन सा स्कूल था? रग्बी स्कूल. वेयर few boys were playing the game of what? The game of
Football.
football. In the 19th century, when one of the boys decided to pick up the ball and run, and the game of rugby was invented. अब अचानक फुटबॉल खेलते खेलते क्या हुआ उस वक्त एक बॉय ने क्या डिसाइड करा, बॉल हाथ में लेकर के और भागने का डिसाइड करा, और उसी टाइम से ये नाम रग्बी दिया गया. आई होप इट इज क्लियर.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
now next, fourth. Badminton was first named after the town in India where it became popular. अब badminton, it is very common name of one of the sports. सबको पसंद है बैडमिंटन खेलना. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So it was.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So it was first named after what? After a town in India, and that became very popular. Now, in the how it was in the mid 1800s, British military officers stationed in India. British military officers stationed in India means India में यहाँ पर आकर रुके, and they used to play a sort of ball badminton in Tamil Nadu. और ये जो military officers है वो क्या खेला करते थे? A type of badminton in Tamil Nadu, that is a sort of ball badminton. And at that time balls of wool were used to play the game. और उस समय बॉल किसकी बनी हुई होती थी? वूल की. वूल मीन्स ऊन. बॉल्स जो थे ऊन के बने हुए होते थे, और उन बॉल से ये ब्रिटिश मिलिट्री ऑफिसर्स जो इंडिया में ठहरे हुए थे वो इस टाइप के बॉल बैडमिंटन खेलते थे तमिलनाडु में. क्लियर? And the wet and windy conditions in India forced them to start playing with the shuttlecock. और जब धीरे धीरे यहाँ की जो कंडीशंस, क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन, कैसी क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन, जब क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन वेट और विंडी हो जाती थी तब इट वाज नॉट पॉसिबल टू प्ले विद द वूल बॉल्स, क्योंकि वो क्या हो जाती थी, हैवी हो जाती थी. वेट, जब वेट कंडीशंस होती थी तो क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन, और जब विंडी कंडीशन होती थी तो वो एकदम से लाइट वेट होता था तो वो उड़ जाती थी इधर उधर. सो इन दैट कंडीशन these people, these military officers were forced to play with the shuttlecock. तब वहां पर उन्होंने शटलकॉक स्टार्ट किया, शटलकॉक से खेलना. द स्पोर्ट वाज ओरिजिनली नेम्ड आफ्टर द टाउन वेयर इट बिकेम मोस्ट पॉपुलर विद ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर्स हु फाइनली टुक द गेम बैक टू इंग्लैंड आफ्टर दे रिटायर्ड. और जब वो रिटायरमेंट हो गया उनका, जब वो वापस से इंग्लैंड गए तो वो अपने साथ ये वाला गेम लेके गए. और ये क्या है, कौन सा टाउन था? टाउन का नाम पूना. पूना. इट वॉज नेम्ड एज पूना, बट अब आजकल हम उसको पुणे के नाम से जानते हैं. जैसे मद्रास भी क्या है? प्रीवियसली इट वाज कॉल्ड एज मद्रास,
Now Chennai.
इट्स कॉल्ड एज चेन्नई. तो समझ में आ गया ये बैडमिंटन क्या कैसे मिला? फर्स्ट इंडिया. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट इज वेयर वाज द गेम ऑफ स्नूकर इन्वेंटेड? स्नूकर जो ये गेम है ये कहाँ पर इन्वेंट हुआ? स्नूकर इज प्लेड विद मेनी कलर्ड बॉल्स ऑन अ स्पेशल टेबल. बहुत सारी कलरफुल बॉल्स के साथ खेला जाता है टेबल पे. अ स्टिक और अ क्यू इज यूज्ड to pot the balls into the pocket. अब एक stick और a cue is used to pot the balls into the pocket. कोने में जो pocket type गेम के बॉल्स डालने के लिए जगह होती है वहां पर इनको स्टिक से पॉट किया जाता था बॉल्स को उसमें डालने के लिए, एज वी डू इन द गेम ऑफ कैरम. कैरम बोर्ड आप यूजुअली एवरीबॉडी इज फेमिलियर विद द गेम ऑफ कैरम बोर्ड. कैरम में क्या होता है?
Yes, ma'am.
कैरम
Yes, madam.
आप लोग हाथ से खेलते हैं कैरम बोर्ड, और उसमें क्या होता है? स्ट्राइकर होता है. स्ट्राइकर से आप व्हाइट और ब्लैक, हाँ व्हाइट और ब्लैक, उसमें क्या क्या कलर्स के होते हैं कैरम बोर्ड में?
White,
व्हाइट,
White, black,
white, black, and red.
वन one
One
red is
red.
there, and you have to put in the hole in the sides of the corner of the कैरम बोर्ड कॉर्नर में चारों कॉर्नर में होल्स होते हैं उसके अंदर आपको वो स्ट्राइकर से स्ट्राइक करना पड़ता है yes or no the same way this snooker is also there in this the stick is used not the striker but for this the stick is used and the it is the pot they had to pot the balls into the pockets ऐसे ही balls को pocket में डालना पड़ता है as we do in the game of carom using a striker to hit the man into the pockets. Now this game was first played and invented by the British officers. Now this game also was played by the British officer in the 19th century. Clear? So this game also played by the British officer. Another badminton was also played by the British military officers. Yeah. Now here, where the game was invented in India. Snooker was invented in India itself. Clear this much? Marked everybody? Okay. I hope now everybody is having the book. Purchase the books now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now fact bite. Fact bite means? Yes.
Ma'am, please repeat question number 4th and 5.
4th and 5. Okay. Badminton was first named after the town in India where it became popular. अब बैडमिंटन का नाम कैसे एक टाउन है जहां पर वो बहुत पॉपुलर हो गया इंडिया में इंडिया का एक टाउन है जो जहां पर ये बहुत पॉपुलर हो गया एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज पूना नाउ यू कैन नो विद द नेम ऑफ पुणे नाउ इन द मिड 1800s ब्रिटिश मिलिट्री ऑफिसर्स स्टेशन इन इंडिया मीन्स जो यहाँ पर इंडिया आकर रहे थे उन लोगों ने दे स्टार्टेड अ प्ले a sort of ball badminton in तमिलनाडु में उन्होंने ये बॉल बैडमिंटन स्टार्ट किया था एंड एट टाइम्स बॉल ऑफ वुड were used to play the game. The wet and windy condition. अब कंडीशन क्या थी वहां पर तमिलनाडु कोस्टल एरिया तो क्या था वहां पर कंडीशन वेट एंड windy and it was not possible for them to play with the wool ball. So then the climatic condition forced them to play with the shuttlecock and the sport was originally named after the town where it became most popular with the ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर्स के अंदर ये गेम बहुत बैडमिंटन गेम बहुत पॉपुलर हो गया था क्लियर एंड देन आफ्टरवर्ड्स व्हेन द ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर्स रिटायर्ड फ्रॉम द ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी में यहाँ पर काम करते थे ऑन द बिहाफ ऑफ द ब्रिटिश इंग्लैंड क्वीन तो यहाँ पर से जब वो रिटायर हो गए तो वापस इंग्लैंड गए तो वहां पर जाकर इन्होंने ये गेम अपने साथ लेके गए वहां कंटिन्यू रखा क्लियर Then the game of snooker. This is also played with the colored balls on a special table, and the stick or a cue is used to pot the balls into the pocket. Pocket means sidewise holes are there. वहां पर आपको ये balls डालनी पड़ती है, as we do in the carom board, है ना? Using a striker to hit the man into the pockets. This game was first played and invented by whom? This also was by the British officer in the 19th century and in which country? In India. Clear? Now fact bite. Fact bite means the important fact, the real thing. The slam dunk is a way of scoring in basketball. Now what is slam dunk? What do you mean by the word slam dunk? Slam dunk means it is the way of scoring in basketball. A player jumps in the air. In this, what happens? The player jumps in the air and forces the ball downwards through the basket in with one or both the hands over the rim. जैसे यहाँ दिखाया गया है ना? Jumps in the air और force करते कि वो रिंग से निकले basket में से. Today the phrase slam dunk is used in American English. Now Today, this slam dunk is used in American English and it refers to something that is surely going to happen. अब इसमें यहाँ American English में slam dunk word use हुआ है. Now that means that surely going to happen. ऐसा होगा. Definitely ऐसा होगा. Now it is also used to describe a good achievement. It is also used to, now which word is described for the good achievement in American English? Hello?
Slam dunk.
Yes.
ma'am.
Slam dunk.
Slam dunk.
Okay.
Slam dunk. Slam dunk.
Okay, fine. Now here, being mankaded in cricket is a way in which you can be given out. Means being mankaded. Mankaded word जो है ये दिया गया है तब जब आपको out मान लिया जाए. सो बिकॉज और ये कहाँ पर कौन सी गेम के लिए वर्ड यूज होता है? मोस्टली क्रिकेट के लिए. बिकॉज द ग्रेट इंडियन क्रिकेटर वीनू माकन was the first to run out a batsman in this manner. इस वीनू मार्कन के नाम से ये वर्ड मैंकेडेड दिया गया है क्रिकेट में बिकॉज ही वॉज द फर्स्ट टू रन आउट अ बैट्समैन इन दिस मैनर. कैसे मैनर? इन द टेस्ट मैच अगेंस्ट ऑस्ट्रेलिया एट सिडनी इन 1947 में ये एक तरीके से रन आउट हो गए थे इस टाइप से. एंड दैट इज वाई फ्रॉम वेयर this name is given. It is referred to as being mankaded. It is a type of run out decision. Mankaded means a run out. Decision means run out हो गए, run लेते हुए आप out हो गए हैं. After studying this photograph, explain what this means. Means आपको बताई है. What does it means? Yes. And this is a picture of the cricketer. Picture of a cricketer.
Cricketer.
Yes. तो रन लेते वक्त जब आउट हो जाते हैं बीच में, then it is called as mankaded. I hope it is clear, everyone. Till here.
Yes.
This lesson number.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So today we'll complete this till here only. In our next class, we'll continue with lesson number 7. Till then, revise whatever we have done today also and as well as in our previous classes also, and try to learn also. Clear? थोड़ा थोड़ा करके learn करोगे तभी आपको learn होगा. And if any doubt, you can ask me. Okay? So for today, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Once again, you can type present in the chat box and then you can leave the class. After typing present in the chat box, then you can leave the class. Okay? I hope everybody has understood the lesson.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubt? Anybody have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Tata.
Tata.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Okay,
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Okay, bye. Take care.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Okay, bye. After typing present, beta, you can leave the class, okay?